Hello everybody. As you know, if you're part of Fountains Church, we just started a series called Rebuild the Walls, specifically from the book of Nehemiah. And in our first part on Sunday, as we started speaking about prayer and just how essential prayer is and how central it was to the life of Nehemiah and everything he accomplished for Jesus. And it's exactly the same thing that we want to do in our own lives. And I want to encourage you just with this thought that, in Luke chapter 18, Jesus tells the story about this widow. Now, in those days and times, the widows were people basically destitute. They didn't have much hope. They were sort of left out. They were disregarded, segregated. So they had the least influence, the least power in society. And this lady comes to this judge who doesn't fear God, he doesn't respect other people, and she keeps bothering him. Jesus starts that story out by saying he wanted to teach his disciples to keep on praying and to never give up. And then he tells this story and she keeps coming back, and finally the judge says, this lady's going to wear me out. The NIV translation puts it like this. It says basically, it says, I'll better give her justice because otherwise she might just come and attack me. And Jesus says, that should be our attitude when we pray. And I want to encourage you with this, whatever you're facing at the moment. I think as a nation and in the world, we're facing this pandemic. We feel like it's just never going to stop. We pray for people who doesn't want to get better. We're praying for relationships that doesn't look like it's going to get restored. But Jesus says, keep on praying, keep on asking, never give up. Be resolute in this and never ever give up. So I want to encourage you, part of your life of prayer is to just never ever give up, to keep going to Jesus day after day, to say, Lord, give me justice, give me relief, give me breakthrough, give me provision, give me healing, give me restoration. May that be our attitudes.